back once again with birds, and today we have only three birds because our other one just flew away from the from the cage because they we didn't close it right maybe, and we left it open a little bit, and then it just flew and we can't find it. We try to find it everywhere.
It's like a green parrot. It's a parakeet, and it lives in Brownsville, Texas.
So
and the only where you find it is like,
you can find it.
just please help us. Go to Texas, Brownsville. If we're living in Texas, Brownsville, please help us find our bird.
Or even if you're not in Texas, Brownsville, just tell them off so you can try to go in Brownsville and go see it, please, guys. Those are the birds. That's the bird I love.
And my birthday is next month.
He's
so
not gonna be here.
My mom said that probably on your birthday you're gonna have enough money.
And it's his birthday at his birthday, and we're not gonna celebrate it. Only mine.
And his birthday wasn't my birthday, but not anymore because I don't have it.
My other's birthday isn't my birthday too.
Now we have 3 birds.
Yeah, and please guys find it. His name is Kiko, and he likes making bird sound
like parakeet sounds.
Yeah.
But in Australia, there's like a 1,000 of budgies. Do not go there because you don't know what My bird has a yellow spot and green, like it's green.
And it has black wings.
Because we clipped the wings, and then it grows
It grows so fast that it flew.
It started flying away.
Please guys, just find it. We can't help it.
But can you just bring your bird?
Okay guys, I'm gonna see them with it, but I'm gonna bring my bird.
I feel like this thing. My dad will probably buy me a new one. Like when he says, "Oh my God, your marshmallow!" Like, because when Paola's bird dies, my dad bought her a new one. I'm sorry.
This one cannot fly, but yeah, I could keep on going in the fan in my brother's room because he just tried it out real quick.
It was like the same size as him, but with the longer tail
and
it's green.
It has long tail, guys. Don't let it put me in the carpet. Where's your towel?
It's like the same size, but a longer tail, and it's green, and it has a yellow spot. I feel so fainted. I feel like to faint. Like he's like my kid. Like I'm gonna be crying for days. I just cried for an hour right now.
Yeah, guys, we can't find it. Please, guys, just find it.
And comment down below if you find it and tell the address where is it. I won't go there no matter what. If you see a green parrot, please tell us and comment that
it has a blue nose, guys. Blue nose.
Mm-hmm.
And where's it?
It's trying.
Where's that? Oh look, it's like this nose, guys. It's like that nose. So please find it.
Probably my birthday I'll buy a new one because my Nino gives me like $100 on my birthday because he's so, rich.
And they're getting a new one, but guys, please find them.
And I'll probably get a buddy tomorrow or today because my dad, when Paula's bird died,
my bird died and I got this one. So guys, please just find it.
If you see a green parrot, please.
And guys, if it goes in your hand, that means it loves you. That's the one.
Or like when it's like a green parrot and it's in a tree, please comment down below.
Guys, please just find it. I don't care no matter what.
We have
just
only
find
one
it.
green bird and 2 blue ones. We had a green one but flew away.
But guys, if you find it, just please go in our house and like
Not going to help, but like
Like,
comment like down below.
like
Where is it?
like yeah, so we can find it. Yeah, this one likes everyone too. Cause it started to this one cause I got it like I don't know like 1 year ago.
Not 1 year ago.
No, like 8 months ago, I guess. Oh, 6 months ago, I used to get it.
Well, if I get a new one today or tomorrow, it's probably gonna like me.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna let it sleep in my room because I need to get it used to it.
Yeah, and this one's just gonna go close. We have our other 2 girls. Well, they don't really like somebody people. They just like being in the cage. But guys, we just find them, and we don't want to lose any of them again. Cause then we're gonna have like 2 of them lost. So please, guys, just find them.
I'm gonna clip their wings, but I don't want to because they like flying around and exercising. So I'm not gonna clip them. If I want to take them out, I need to take them out.
Please find them, guys. If you guys see them and you take, like if we go in their house, thank you guys so much. But guys, please find them. Whoever guys are you, I don't know who guys are you, but guys, please find us. His name is Kiko. You could get his name too, but he doesn't really come when you say his name. But just like make a bird sound. Search for a bird sound. You could like practice it every night.
Oh yeah, you could use like your phone and then like you put it and then when it makes a noise, please. So guys, that's our video, and please if you find him, please tell us.
Okay, thank you guys. Peace.